How many? Oh, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years?
2 years.
Oh, so,
Yeah, 2 years. Yeah.
So you like Philippines?
Uh,
You want to
like-
stay?
I
You want to
like-
stay here forever?
Maybe, yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe I want to
Okay.
stay here long because
So you have
Filipino.
children here?
Hmm?
Oh, why Filipina? You have no children?
No, Korea.
Korea. Oh. So your license Philippine
Philippine
or
license, yeah, Philippine license.
okay. Walang ginagawa to sa ano kaya nag-drive na lang. North Fairview. Commonwealth siya.
Yeah.
No. Philippines here, okay. Oh, so traffic,